Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you redirect your website to any website of your choice. Such redirection normally happens when your website is empty. So let's have an empty website. Yep, so this website is empty. There's nothing on this website, and of course you don't want people to see this empty website. So you either put an under construction web page or just redirect it to any website you want. Now there are many ways of redirecting a website, but I'll only show you two simplest ways of doing it. First is by the control panel. So let's log in to expressmanual.com control panel or cpanel. And then log in. So let's look on domains redirects. So we're now in redirects window. Redirect allows you to make one domain that redirect to another domain, either for a website or a specific web page. So we'll just leave it as it is and put the domain to redirect to any website you like, but let's take on youtube.com for this example. Okay, so all public domains means all this will redirect to youtube.com. Okay, so let's add, and it says all public domains redirects to https youtube.com. So if we go back, we can see in here that the current directs now is youtube.com. So let's check it. So the empty website will now redirect to youtube.com, and so it does. So it's now redirecting to youtube.com. Suppose your web host has not given you access to the control panel, only the FTP. What you gonna do? In this case, one simple way of doing it is you need to create a redirection file if you want. If we're using the FTP, so we can now delete this redirection we've just made by the control panel. And then remove redirect. So the redirect has been removed. Go back and it's all clear. So we can so we'll do that now, and by the FTP. So let's check this one first. So we need to clear the cookies. So we need to clear the cookies because it's still redirecting at to youtube.com. Okay, so we'll try that now. And then it's back to an empty website. Okay, so so in this scenario we can't do it on by the cpanel, so we'll be using FTP. So we got to create a redirection file, and in creating a redirection file you may use an IDE, integrated development environment, like brackets, Notepad++, NetBeans, etc. if you like. But I just wanted to make as simple as possible, so I'm gonna be using just a basic Notepad. Okay, so oh, by the way, this is your local folder, and this is the your website. This is live and this is local. So we will create a redirection file now using a Notepad. Okay, so we'll open this text document. We may need few HTML codes to put in, so let's begin. You can put any title you like. So for example, I'll just put YouTube. And we'll be using meta refresh to create an instant redirect. Content 0 for instant redirection. URL will be the YouTube. Then let's close the head. Then open a body. We don't need to put anything on the body, so just close it and so close the body and close the HTML as well. So that's all we need for the redirection file, and we need to save it as index.html, and this shouldn't be text, it should be all files, so it will save as an HTML instead of a text file. Save, and then we can see this HTML file in there now, index.html, so it should appear in here, but we need to refresh this one. Tutorial, so we can see now the index.html, but it's still in the local file, so we need to upload this one to your website, which is on the right side of the FTP. So upload, so it's now uploaded to your live website, so we should be expecting your empty website now to redirect to youtube.com. Okay, so oh, by the way, on your FTP, you can use any FTP software you like popular file, like the popular FileZilla, WinCP, CyberDuck, etc. And for this example, I've used the Core FTP Pro. So that's it. We're going to test now. So if we refresh this one, it shouldn't be an empty website. It should redirect to youtube.com. Okay, so it's working. So that's how simple it is to make a website redirection. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more practical computing videos.